At Berkelmans Welding, we build silage trailers for the real conditions farmers face every season. Heavy loads, long days, tight harvest windows. The 20-ton model is the dependable mid-size hauler. With roughly 50 cubic yards of capacity and a walking tandem axle, it delivers smooth towing, strong dump cycles, and the durability needed for long harvest runs. And when the acres get bigger, or when every trip counts, the 30-ton steps up capacity to nearly 68 cubic yards. A wider box, 8-foot sidewalls, and rugged construction built to withstand heavy daily use. It's what's underneath that gets you through the season. Strong frame, walking tandem, zero drama. And every seam and post is 100% welded. An automotive-grade paint system ensures a long service life through every season, year after year. It's built with a tough underbody telescopic hoist on a trunnion and ball joint. That keeps the seal safe when the trailer shifts or sways during the dump. Reserve your 20 or 30-ton trailer for spring. Visit our website or call the shop.